Are you ready? Are you ready for this, bro?
Yeah.
Are you ready, bro?
Is that what we're doing? And then we're gonna chest bump? Okay, I don't wanna hurt you. Hey everybody, Don and Alex from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana, back with another episode of Overweight Operator.
And when you go to the range, do you ever feel like your range bag's just a little too small? Or if you're carrying a backpack, you feel like a little schoolgirl? Well, today we're gonna change the game with the Hackett equipment, Big Bertha. Stay tuned. So Don and I usually go to the range and just don't have enough room in our range bag. Now, our problems are solved with the Hackett equipment, Big Bertha. So Don, tell us a little bit about the Big Bertha and what sets it apart from all the other range bags on the market.
The first thing is when I'm wearing this, it doesn't look goofy. It actually fits our frame size, which, you know, not something that most people worry about, but when you're carrying, like we showed earlier, that little bitty backpack, it just doesn't feel right. Second is this carry has over 30 compartments built into it. So I have 15 compartments for magazines. I have 12 compartments to carry actual boxes of ammo, so I don't have to break it down and carry loose ammo. I can carry 4 full-size handguns, and I can even throw an SBR in here if I want to.
Right, I actually have my Vector in here right now. Now they actually have a middle pouch that is used for targets, but that's where I put my SBR. And where the magazine pouches are, I do everything from my suppressors to my extended magazines.
This thing is actually loaded with storage options. I haven't been able to fill it enough when I go to the range or not have enough room. I've always got a compartment for something with this bag.
Right, just empty alone, this weighs 6.5 pounds, which is kind of heavy for a bag, but man, with made out of 900D polyester webbing, this is something that is actually sturdy and will hold up.
We're also looking at close to a 19 by 15 inch bag, so it's a big bag, so you're not carrying something small here, which gives you the definite advantage of being able to carry pretty much everything you need for a day at the range. So I want to take a closer look at the Big Bertha and how I have it set up for my range bag. The front compartment here, I have a couple spare AR mags. Now my rifle bag has a mag pouch on it that I carry 6 extra mags. I throw these in here just because I have a couple extras and just in case I need them. The next pouch goes to my eyes and ears. So I have my ears. I have my Top Guns brand ballistic eyewear. This bag is super simple to deploy. The next compartment I'm going to open here is going to be for ammo. Now, I only have 6 boxes of ammo in here now. I can carry up to 12, but right now I just have 6. I normally don't carry, unless I plan on going to the range for a full day, I don't load it up. 6 boxes is enough for me to go play for a couple hours. So, after you get to that part, what you're going to want to do is flip the bag to the side. There's my hydro flask. I've always got a jug of water with me. So what happens now is this bag actually opens up sideways. Gives me access to my magazines, and on the other side I have 4 firearms. Now for demonstrational purposes today, I put some of our True Glow training firearms in there just so you could see a little better and have some contrast because pretty much all of my guns are black. I do have my VP9 in here, and we'll show you how easy it is just to flip this bag open, put your eyes and ears on, grab your gun, grab a mag, and start banging. Okay, so I'm going to show you just how easy this is. Once you get to the range, simply slip your backpack off, set it on the table, open her up. I'm going to grab a magazine, flip to the other side where I carry my firearms, release the clip, take my gun out, make sure it's clear, step over the shooting line, it's just that easy with the Big Bertha. Everything you need is right here. Now, if you think the Big Bertha might be a little bit much for you or you don't want a dedicated range bag, Hackett Equipment also offers the EDC. Now, as the name suggests, this is an everyday carry bag and the one I use as my everyday carry. The nice thing about this is it's a discreet bag and it doesn't look like you're carrying a firearm.
Now, Don't forget, this is not just one of those little small bags, but it's not as big as the Big Bertha. You know, the dimensions on this, you're looking at around 19 inches compared to 21 inches on the Big Bertha. Now, on the inside, you'll have 4 pouches. In those pouches, you can carry anything, again, from medical all the way up to extra ammunition. Now, you also have 4 elastic bands in there. Now, I put my suppressor in there, extra magazines, even some medical scissors. I really like this bag a lot when I'm going on trips or just as something to throw into the truck.
Absolutely. It's perfect for actually what they designed it for, everyday carry.
All right, guys, now we talked a little bit earlier about the EDC, but I really want to take a closer look and see what this bag is capable of. Now, something that I put on my bag is a cool little item by Tac Tags, okay? So they have these cool little tags that kind of tell you what is in each compartment. Now, you know, we never want to flash that we have a firearm here, but we want to be able to, on the fly, know what we have in our bag. So here on the end, this actually says guns, miscellaneous, and you also see medical on here. So to deploy the bag, all you have to do is there's 2 zippers, and this splits all the way apart, gives you plenty of room to open up. So as you see here, we have 2 firearms in the bag. We have the 365 and the M&P 2.0. And then on the other side, I have everything from a couple extra magazines, an extended mag, and my suppressor, okay? Now, the suppressor is just for show on this video, just to show you that it can go in the bag. Now, here on the front, where it says medical, so just open it up, you're gonna see it fold down, and we have everything in here from, you know, quick clot to a CPR mask to extra boxes of ammo. It's a lot of storage space for an EDC bag. Now, in the front, at the very front, you have 2 extra pouches. You can carry anything in there, you know, wallet, charger, everything like that that you would want to take into a hotel or take on a vacation with you. On the side, you can also see that there is a water bottle container. You know, I don't really use this one that much. The only time I've ever used it is when I went to the range with this bag and just put a bottle of water in it. I really do enjoy this bag a lot. Now, on the back, a little different from the Big Bertha bag. Now, this has a single strap. It is a very wide strap. It's really easy to deploy also. So, it just has a single clip here. Pull it up tight to yourself, pull this off, and the whole bag will fall off and you'll be able to deploy your bag. Now let's take a second to actually do that. All right, guys, so for the Overweight Operator series, I thought it was important to make sure that you understood there was plenty of adjustment in this bag. I'm not all the way to the end. It's not hard to carry, it's pretty comfortable. So for this test, I'm going to deploy the bag. Now again, this bag is not one of those bags that is designed just to sling over, reach in, and fire. That's not this bag. This is something that you're going to have to sit down, maybe grab some cover. You're going to be in a hotel room, or you're going to be in a transitional space. So I'm going to lay it down, take it off, unzip it, grab it. I'm actually going to chamber it for safety, and then go ahead and fire a couple rounds, all right? So let's test it out. Now, it wasn't too bad. I thought it was pretty quick. Again, you're going to have to maybe go down to a knee, something like that, to be able to deploy a weapon. But there's plenty of stuff, plenty in space. The zippers aren't super heavy duty where you're just wrenching on them. It's pretty easy to deploy.
So for all of our Overweight Operator viewers, we've got something special from Top Guns and Hackett.
Right, so go onto the Hackett Equipment website listed right here below and save 15% with the promo code TOPGUNS15. And also, we have exciting news from Tac Tags. If you would like to have a Tac Tag with the Overweight Operator logo to put on your range bag, then all you have to do is comment down below, I want a Tac Tag.
Sounds fantastic.
All right, guys, thanks again for watching Overweight Operator, brought to you by Top Guns.
See you next time.
Top Guns and the Overweight Operators would like to thank Hackett Equipment for providing all the products we used in this review. Don't forget, you can hop on their website and use the promo code TOPGUNS20 to save 20%. Also, go on Instagram and check out Tac Tags. We'll be giving away a few of our custom Tac Tags right here on the Overweight Operator series. All you have to do is comment on this video, I want a Tac Tag, and we'll be giving those away here in just a few short weeks. And a big thank you to Federal Ammunition for their sponsorship with all the ammunition used in this video series.
Over and again. Happy Gilmore, yeah?
Hi, I'm Don. I'm really funny.
Hi, I'm Jacob. Your mom.
Oh,
Hey everybody, welcome back to Top Guns here in Terre Haute, Indiana. What?
That sounds fine. Top Guns with the Terre Haute.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Top Guns here in Terre Haute, Indiana for another installment with the Overweight Operator. I'm Don, this is Alex. So what we got going on today, bud?
Oh my goodness!
Ready to go to school?
I'm a stud, of course.
Hey Alex, you wanna go to school today?
No,
Why not?
no,
Why not?
because my backpack doesn't fit.
Oh, say, can you see?
I was wondering where the tone was going there.
Hey everybody, Don and Alex from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana.
And if you don't want to look like a